Okay, welcome to another recording of Math Tutoring Live, step by step. Hey, math is easy if you take it step by step. In this video, I'd like to go over like terms versus non-like terms. Now, you can only add or subtract like terms. So it's important you know the difference between like terms. So like terms have the same variables, x, y, z, those are example of variables, a, b, c also. And they also have to have the same exponential value. So let's take a look at a couple of examples here. X squared and 3x, they both have the same variable, and they both have the exponential power of 2. You have to have those two things in order to make a like term. Of course, whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, real numbers, they of course, all real numbers are also considered to be like terms to each other. So let's take a look here. Yes, they have the same variable, which is the x, the same exponential value, which is 2. So these are like terms. There's an invisible 1 in front of that x value, unless there's another number or coefficient indicated, like in the 3 before in front of the x squared. So if I was to add these two terms, 3x squared plus 1x squared is 4x squared. Hey, let's take a look at some more examples of like terms. You have 5y to the invisible 1 first exponential power. And then you have a 1y to the first exponential power. Number 2, you have 16x cubed and a 1x cubed, like terms. You have, in problem 3, you have 50 and 100. Those are real numbers. You can always add those real numbers or subtract them. They are like terms. Number 4, you have 1z to the 40th power and 10z to the 40th power. Same exponent, same variables, right? They have the same exponent of 40. They have the same variables, the same letter, z. Okay? So here are some examples of non-like terms. Okay? Non-like terms. So number 1 is 15 and x squared. Number 2, 2x to the first power and 3y to the first power. You have number 3, 12x cubed and 12x to the fourth. Yeah, number 3, you have 12 in front, and they both have the same variable, x, but one is to the third power and the other is to the fourth power. Problem 4, you have 5y to the first power and 5x to the first power. They have the same coefficient, 5. They have the same power of 1 in the exponent's place, but they both have a different variable, y versus x, non-like terms. All right, so this was a quick video on like terms. I hope you find this valuable. Remember, math is easy, step by step.